I wanted it to tell you a little bit about me, something profound that would sum it all up. You'd think that I was great and want to take me out for coffee. I'd tell you fascinating things and you would eat it all up. But then I thought that maybe I should use this opportunity to say something important about the state of the world, about global warming or the future of our children. I could be part of the solution instead of part of the problem. But the truth is, the day I got the Motorola video cell phone, something else happened and I totally forgot to make my little movie until the night before I showed you, because I was distracted kissing a guy I met in Halifax.